Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to, put in a video the voice effects for the voice on your video. So you can do that in two ways. You will, you can upload a video from your phone, or you can record in that phone and from the same app of TikTok. So I show you how you can put the effect. You go to TikTok, and here you need to go to your profile, and I got a draft here how this can is functional for example. You pick here, and after that you got these options in the right side of the screen, and the only thing you need to do to activate or to put the voice effects, you need to go here in the last option in this line where set voice, and here automatically you got the characters, the enhancers for better evolution the voice. For example, like edit the voice, or you can be here in trending and use all the effects in the trending of TikTok right now. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.